Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You are here with me, Jemima Joy. Today I'm going to be talking to you about this everyday makeup look. It takes me a matter of minutes. So first of all, rule number one with your makeup is it won't sit on your face properly if you don't sort out your skincare regime. So if you're struggling with your makeup all the time, then maybe just evaluate your skincare. Anyway, this morning I'm going to be using the CBD oil. I'm also going to put a bit of my drops of youth serum on as well. I was going to use my vitamin E cream, but it's actually propping up my camera right now, so I can't use that one. I'm going to be using my CBD face cream paired with the CBD oil. It's just been a saviour for my maskne. Let's get to the good stuff. Okay, I'm going in with a CC cream first. I'm going to put all the names of the products that I'm using as a text at the bottom of the screen, and there'll be a link below in the description if you're watching on YouTube. If you're not watching on YouTube, then head over to YouTube and it'll be there. So I'm only using a small amount of a large, well, I'm just using a pea size amount of CC cream. The trick to this is I rub it all over my face, but I try to avoid getting it in my eyebrows. I don't know why. CC and BB creams just don't like sitting there. It will correct, moisturise and illuminate my skin, and it will also help to minimise the appearance of your pores and reduce any shine. So I really want to pay attention to like around this area, around that area of my nose. Ooh. Okay, next guys, I'm going in with a BB cream. This is actually a bit too dark for my face, and because I don't have the lighter shade, I will show you my little trick to how I can then lighten certain areas of my face with concealer. I'm just going to pat that into my face first. I do find though, sometimes my skin at different times of year, it just doesn't like specific products, but that's because my skin, it changes throughout the season. So a lot of people are like, oh, my foundation's not sitting right on my skin anymore. And I'm just like, well, it's a different season. You might need a different product. You might need a different skincare routine. All these things you got to pay attention to, guys. You got to pay attention to them. Okay, we are using the concealer next. I'm using Cover FX Power Play. I put way too much on my under eyes, so I'm just going to spread that out. If you've noticed today, I'm trying not to use as many brushes, so this can literally suit the sort of person that whacks it on with their hands. And fingers aren't a bad tool to use. If anything, you can pat it in and it's actually just as gentle and it goes on very well. Don't know what I'm saying. Right, so I'm just coming in with that concealer. I'm patting it and just sort of like, try not to smear it too much. Okay, is that in? I do find though, after you've applied your concealer, patting it with your fingers just helps take any build up of product in those creases. Okay, next up is this eyeshadow. I've used this eyeshadow an awful lot, as you can see. This is from Natural Collection and it is Stone Milk. It is the colour Milk Chocolate. It's just a really nice, neutral, natural colour, and it's a matte shade. Now I am going to use a brush for this one. Pat it all over my lid and a little bit underneath. Just like that. And one eyeshadow brush that everyone needs to have in their collection is a decent blending brush. I'm using the Body Shop's blending brush. This is bamboo. It is super soft and it's vegan. Really rate this brush. Just going to blend around the edges of that eyeshadow, so I don't need to use any other eyeshadows. It's just one quick, easy eyeshadow that I'm whacking on. As I'm using the Full Fat Lashes by Charlotte Tilbury. This is actually a sample that I got when I ordered some foundation and highlighter and God knows what else. But I really love it. I really do like this mascara quite a lot. Especially for a nice natural look where I don't want my eyelashes to be too heavy. If you're unsure of how to apply your mascara, get it into the root of your eyelash and then you want to like jiggle it from left to right, so you're really getting those brushes in your lashes, and then you roll it up and out like that. And a little bit on your lower lash line. Up next, guys, is the Brow Sport in shade medium. It's literally like a little felt tip, and I'm gonna only just enhance the lines of my natural brows. I don't like to go over my brows, I just like to follow my natural lines. So I'm gonna be following this bit here and then the arch at the top, and that'll create me a nice pronounced eyebrow, which will then lift my eyes, but with not too much drama.
Can I brush your teeth in? Last thing you need is...
Yeah, I don't want to hear toothbrush in the background. People will be like, oh, nice brows. The colour actually isn't that dark. Like, there's a massive jump I find between the medium and the dark colour. Let me just show you a bit of the dark. See what I mean? Just for that arch bit, I think that works quite well, just to get a bit more drama. What am I doing next? Bronzer. So I like this one. Oh, it didn't smash. It's okay, it didn't smash. But this is the Shimmer Waves, again, by the Body Shop. You might notice I really like my Body Shop products. They're really good, just saying. I really like this because it has got multiple tones in it, so when I don't have time to do contour, bronzing, blushing, highlighting, this is really handy. Why do I always say literally? It's really annoying. I'm just gonna bronze the middle, just think about the middle part of your cheekbone and sort of like a bit outwards in circular motions, up on the forehead to make my forehead look less big, and a little bit under the chin and down the neck. Oh, I've heard about a trick recently, right, to make your eyes look like they're more, I don't know, more pert. But imagine, right, your line from your nose to your eye to your brow to there. Basically, you want to get, I've just put my finger in my bronzer, and then you literally want to do that. That wasn't very smooth. But you literally want to do that because it enhances that line, and then blend it out. Does that do anything? Does that make me look good? Try and go a bit up there. Not part of this tutorial, but I'm just sort of adding it in there, you know. I'm just gonna get my brush and try and blend that in. I just think that's a really nice little tip. Probably more for a night out, not when you're in a rush going out the door, but if you just feel like you need that extra little bit of va-va-voom, then why the hell not, ladies? Why the hell not? We've done the bronzing, and I've literally just sat here blending my bronzing out. Top bit down my nose. And just going around here, a little bit down the neck, just so I've got that colour continuation, just so it all blends nicely. Tinted balms are a huge thing this year, simply because of the dehydration the masks are doing to our faces, so we need something that's going to give us a little bit of a tint to our lips, so we're not looking too death-like or gormley, or however you want to pronounce it. So a tinted lip balm is the thing to have. I really like the lip juices from the Body Shop as well. These are super cute. This has got a little bit more colour to it. Maybe we should do a comparison. So this is the colour from the lip juicer. This is strawberry and pomegranate. And then I'm going to now use the Vaseline Rosy lip balm, which is a bit more of a shinier finish. I'm going to go with the Vaseline today because I just feel like I need that real hydration, and this is a little bit more hydrating. So that is it. I hope you like this look. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe below.